Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get internet time inside Unreal Engine. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use one plugin, and that is one of my favorite plugins, VaREST, which is gonna allow me to access HTTP requests and read JSON data from internet. And the other thing that we are gonna need is API from internet. So I'm gonna Google internet clock API or something similar. And we have a couple of them. And I think we can use this one. And I'm gonna click on the link and copy this. And as you can see, this is pretty standard JSON format, which has a couple of fields. ID is useless in this case, so this is pretty much useless. Current date time, we can definitely use it. Offset, daylight, day, etc., etc. Not that useful, but this is the most useful field, and I'm going to show you how you can access that from Unreal Engine, and let's go and do that. So I'm gonna create a new map, pretty standard stuff, and I'm going to save the map. You can skip this step. Internet time. And I'm going to open level blueprint. And I need VaREST subsystem. And I need to call URL. And I also need to construct JSON object. And I'm going to connect it like this. Now, inside my clipboard memory, I still have this link, but I'm gonna copy and paste it here. This verb setting is fine. We want to use get. And I have to connect these two nodes. Callback, I need to add custom event. It doesn't matter what we are going to name it. Get time, doesn't really matter. And now I need to get the node which is called get response object, like this. And I would like to promote this to a variable JSON object, just for better convenience if I want to do something fancy later on. And to test things, I want to get this field, and this field is string. How do I know? I know because it's encompassed by quote marks like this, and pretty much, actually this is a number, this is boolean, and this is string, this is string. But anyway, that's off topic. So I know that this is a string data type, and I need to get string field, and its label is this, and I'm going to print string it. And see if I have it working correctly. And here you can see that indeed we do have the time displayed. And you can see that we have year, month, day, and we have T, which stands for time, I guess. And then we have the current internet time or UTC time, whatever. And my local time currently is 23:32, so I'm 1 hour ahead of this time, and we have Z letter at the end. So we want to make this a bit cleaner, and we can do that by using uh, a couple of string nodes, and we are gonna promote this to time. By the way, the main part of this tutorial is done. You can do whatever you want, and I'm going to show you these additional steps. So current internet, or should I call it UTC? Current UTC time and current UTC date. Let's have both date and time. I'm going to delete this, and first let's deal with the current date. I'm going to set the variable, and I'm going to split this string. How am I going to split it? Or I can actually take a look at the screenshot. Where is my screenshot? Doesn't matter right now. But anyway, if I zoom in, like I said before, I'm going to split this whole string here, and I'm also gonna get rid of this one, Z letter. And so in string at string t, left is going to be current UTC date, and the left part, since I'm splitting that into two, so left part is gonna be this, and the right part is gonna be this. I also want to get rid of this thing, so I'm gonna use right chop, I believe, and returns the string to the right of the specified location, counting forward from left. No, I actually need left chop. Left chop, and returns the leftmost characters from the string, chopping the given number. Yes, that's the one that I need. And I'm going to chop one letter or character, doesn't matter. And I'm going to set the variable current UTC time like that. And if you want to make time date times make date time. Yeah, what I wanted to say, you can proceed with more detailed process of this data serialization. For example, you can see that we have this uh, dash and this dash. We can separate even that, or if you want, you can do the same thing with this. But anyway, here's how we are storing the data and processing it. And you can even add this as custom event get internet time. And for example, you can set it so that it gets refreshed every couple of minutes or even couple of seconds, however you want. And let me call it get internet time, or you know what, you can use delay, and let's say 120 seconds, and every 120 seconds it's going to update the time, and I'm going to print it. So print string, I'm going to append, and now I can get nodes, current date, current time, And let me add this. So current date is like this, and current time is like this. And mm, yeah, it's actually not fine. No, I want to flip it. I want to reorder it like this. And I'm gonna give it the initial delay of like 5 seconds. That, let's test it. So after a couple of seconds, and here you can see the current time. And if I was to stay in the game, it's gonna update every n seconds that I have uh, defined here. So let's try to test that as well. But it's always gonna show pretty much similar result because it's not returning seconds. 22:39, 22:39, and let's wait. 22:39, and the next one should be 40. Yes, 40. And there you go. That's how you get the time from internet. And the use cases that you might find for this solution is, um, let's say that you want to be 100% sure that your users are getting one universal time, or getting the time from the universal source, so you don't have to depend on the accuracy of their local computers if they are so accurate and with the sync. But anyway, there you go. Now you know how to get internet time in Unreal Engine. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.